What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. As you can see, we're not having a great day. That is a tow truck behind me, and that is Zangetsu behind me there. So if you look down here, there's a huge oil puddle that seems to have leaked from my engine, and I can't drive it when it's like that, because if I start it, I'm gonna have a nasty bearing knock and I'm gonna need to buy a new engine. So we're currently having the car towed back to my place, and we'll see from there what solutions we can come up with. We can make a return. So from what I've been able to investigate so far, it looks like there's some oil leaking from the driver's side tappet cover. The gasket may be failing now and it's actually letting some oil out, or it could be from the PVC system that Garth and I fixed before. So we do have some direction as far as getting answers and a solution. Fortunately, I do already have tappet cover gaskets. It's just a matter of replacing those and replacing the drainage plug on the oil side, as well as some of the bolts on the tappet cover itself. We're busy offloading in front of my apartment building. So this little intersection of piping here also seems pretty suspicious as to where the source of the problem might be coming from. I don't know if maybe these pipes need some clamping to make them more secure, perhaps. The pipes I'm referring to are these ones there that look very caked up and wet from oil, because going further down, if you look, so down there also looks like another possible suspect as to where the oil might be coming from. Okay, Garth, I don't know if you can see what I'm pointing at, but you see this little valve or bolt here. Is that something that needs to be screwed in or what? Because, yeah, the one that I'm focused on now. Is that supposed to, like, does it need something to screw it in or what? But in terms of trying to source the leak, I think the bolt on this tappet cover that seems to be the most caked up is that bottom one, almost directly underneath the spark plug. So let me know what you think. Sorry, the visuals are not exactly Project Zangetsu quality, but I hope you can see something from there. Okay, so it turns out that the problem definitely is the driver's side tappet cover gasket, which is a very fortunate thing because that's what I assumed it was before, which is why I actually bought a set of tappet cover gaskets until we started considering the PCV system to be the fault, which seemed to be part of it, because initially when we did tackle that, it did stop a lot of the blow-by from happening, but then when it started back up again, that's when we knew that there was now a new problem. And it seems like it was also the tappet cover gasket all along. So now I'm on my way to AutoZone to go and get some oil and an oil filter, because we're going to have to basically do an oil change again as we do this, so that we can then have an empty oil system when we take out the tappet cover, because that's also going to leak some oil whilst we change the gasket, and hopefully that will sort out the problem. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. The reason for that is because we've got everything that we need together to replace the tappet cover gasket, but there is a tool that we need to get, because the space between the tappet cover and the rest of the engine, well, the rest of the car's body in the engine bay is too small for me to fit a ratchet down there, as well as like a ratchet and a socket. Because I was missing a 10 socket, I actually went and bought one, because that's the size of the bolts around the tappet cover. So but now I'm not gonna have enough space to fit in a ratchet as well as a socket, so I'm going to need to get a swivel socket spanner. I have one, but it's a 12-inch, and the reason why I bought it was from the last time I struggled with doing spark plugs for a similar reason, you know, for space issues. So I'm gonna need to, so I've already ordered one from Take-A-Lot for it, but it's gonna be a 10 mil now, because the bolts that I need to undo are 10 mil bolts, and that's only going to arrive on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so I thought, let me just end this video as it is now, so that we don't have to wait for too long for another video. And yeah, we'll just upload part 2 when the part arrives and we are able to actually do the install. So yeah, sorry if this was a bit of a disappointment for some of you guys that have been watching up until this far, but we will be concluding this saga in the next video. So otherwise, as usual, I have been Zoletu Matlamu, and thank you so much for hanging out. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like, and if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. As usual people, take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number 1.